Want an SUV you can count on for years? These 8 models offer rock-solid reliability, low repair costs, and peace of mind. Let's get into it. Number 8. Toyota Corolla Cross. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross is one of the most hassle-free compact SUVs on the market. With a starting price around $23,000 and fully loaded trims reaching $30,000, it offers an ideal blend of affordability and long-term durability. RepairPal estimates average annual maintenance at just $450. Well below the class average. Many owners report their Corolla Cross easily surpassing 200,000 miles with minimal issues, as long as routine maintenance is followed. It consistently ranks among the most reliable in Consumer Reports and JD Power studies, living up to Toyota's strong reputation. Plus, Toyota's widespread dealer and service network helps keep repair costs low and parts easy to find. Backing that up is a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, giving buyers added confidence. Whether you're commuting daily or planning to keep your vehicle for the long haul, the Corolla Cross delivers reliable performance, low running costs, and impressive longevity, making it a smart, worry-free choice. Number 7. Lexus NX. The 2025 Lexus NX proves that luxury and long-term reliability can go hand in hand. Starting around $41,000 and topping out just under $55,000 for higher trims and hybrids, the NX offers premium comfort without compromising durability. Owners routinely report their NX models reaching well beyond 200,000 miles with nothing more than regular maintenance. RepairPal estimates annual upkeep at around $560, impressively low for a luxury SUV. Its lasting reliability comes from Lexus's exceptional build quality and shared Toyota-sourced components. From its drivetrain to electronics, the NX's systems are built to age well, with major issues being rare when maintenance schedules are followed. Lexus backs this up with a 4-year, 50,000-mile basic warranty and a 6-year, 70,000-mile powertrain warranty. Lexus's extensive dealer network also keeps service easy and affordable, with fewer breakdowns and efficient diagnostics compared to other luxury brands. For those wanting a refined, comfortable SUV that holds up over the years without surprise repair bills, the Lexus NX remains a standout pick. Number 6. Acura MDX. The 2025 Acura MDX stands out as one of the most dependable mid-size luxury SUVs on the market, with prices starting around $50,000 and reaching up to $65,000 for higher trims. It blends upscale features with a reputation for long-term reliability, often surpassing its European competitors in both maintenance and durability. As Honda's luxury brand, Acura brings the same commitment to engineering excellence. The MDX consistently delivers strong performance with minimal issues, and RepairPal estimates its annual maintenance cost at about $580, quite low for a luxury SUV in this class. A key advantage of the MDX is its simpler, more durable design. It's easier and less costly to service than many of its more complex German counterparts. Major problems with the engine or drivetrain are rare, and when service is needed, Acura's broad dealer network makes parts and repairs more accessible and affordable. Backing the MDX is a solid warranty package: 4 years or 50,000 miles for basic coverage, and 6 years or 70,000 miles for the powertrain. If you're looking for a mid-size luxury SUV that offers premium comfort without the long-term headaches, the Acura MDX delivers both peace of mind and enduring value. Number 5. Kia Telluride. The 2025 Kia Telluride continues to shine as one of the most reliable 3-row SUVs available in the US market, with a starting price around $37,000 and fully loaded trims just exceeding $50,000. The Telluride offers exceptional value paired with long-term dependability. Many owners report reaching well beyond 150,000 miles with little more than routine maintenance, and the Telluride is built to easily surpass 200,000 miles. RepairPal pegs the average annual maintenance cost at just $500, remarkably low for a full-size SUV. Kia backs this with one of the strongest warranties in the industry: a 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty and a 5-year or 60,000-mile basic warranty. That means fewer worries about unexpected repair bills in the first decade of ownership. With Kia's growing dealership presence across the country, access to service and parts is both easy and affordable. The Telluride's appeal lies in its simple, proven engineering. It avoids unnecessary complexity, shares components with other Kia models, and uses a tried-and-true powertrain, all of which help minimize the risk of expensive repairs over time. For families who want a spacious, comfortable SUV that doesn't sacrifice reliability or break the bank in maintenance, the Kia Telluride remains one of the top choices in 2025. Number 4. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander remains a staple in the mid-size SUV segment, and in 2025, it continues to stand out as one of the most dependable family vehicles in the US, with a starting price near $39,000 and fully loaded trims reaching $50,000. It offers strong value for those aiming to avoid long-term maintenance headaches. Many owners report surpassing 200,000 miles with only routine upkeep like oil changes, brakes, and fluid checks. RepairPal estimates the annual maintenance cost at just $520, which is low for a 3-row SUV. Toyota's reputation for simple, durable engineering means fewer mechanical failures over time. Combined with a vast US dealership network, parts and service are easy to access and affordable. With a 3-year or 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, the Highlander is built for the long haul. For families or commuters wanting peace of mind, it remains one of the smartest choices for worry-free driving. Number 3. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester continues to be one of the most practical and reliable compact SUVs for American drivers in 2025. With a starting price around $28,000 and fully loaded versions approaching $38,000, the Forester offers excellent long-term value with a reputation for durability that's hard to beat. Many Foresters are known to surpass 200,000 miles with little more than routine servicing. According to RepairPal, the average annual maintenance cost is about $520, an affordable figure for a vehicle in this segment. Its mechanical simplicity, particularly in base models without turbocharged engines or overly complex electronics, plays a major role in its minimal repair needs. Subaru's extensive dealership and service network across the US ensures quick access to parts and affordable labor, helping owners avoid lengthy wait times or high repair bills. Backed by a 3-year or 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, the Forester is built with long-term ownership in mind, and many drivers find they rarely need more than standard upkeep. If you're looking for a reliable, all-weather capable SUV that's ready for the long haul without unexpected costs, the Subaru Forester remains one of the most trustworthy choices on the market. Ask ChatGPT. Number 2. Honda CR-V. The 2025 Honda CR-V continues to set the benchmark in the compact SUV segment for reliability, longevity, and overall value, with prices starting around $31,000 and climbing to $42,000 for hybrid or top trims. It offers an excellent mix of practicality and long-term dependability. Many owners report their CR-Vs surpassing 200,000 miles with little more than routine maintenance. According to RepairPal, its average annual upkeep cost is just $410, one of the lowest in its class. Honda's emphasis on mechanical simplicity helps the CR-V avoid major issues like transmission failures or engine trouble, earning it consistently high reliability scores from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power. Plus, Honda's nationwide dealer network ensures parts and service are widely accessible and affordable. Backed by a 3-year 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, most owners rarely need more than basic maintenance. If you're after a reliable, low-maintenance compact SUV with great resale value, the 2025 CR-V remains a top-tier choice. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 remains one of the most trusted compact SUVs on the market, known for its rock-solid dependability. With a starting price around $31,000 and top trims approaching $43,000, it offers excellent value backed by a long-standing reputation. Many owners push their RAV4s past 250,000 miles with little more than regular maintenance. Its average yearly upkeep cost is just $450, according to RepairPal, lower than many competitors. Toyota's proven mechanical design avoids common headaches like turbo failures or electrical issues. The RAV4 includes a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, though many owners report years of trouble-free driving well beyond that. If you want an SUV built for the long haul with minimal repairs, the 2025 RAV4 delivers exactly that. Buy it once, maintain it, and drive worry-free for years. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss future content.